Hello everyone, my name's Alia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating a Hufflepuff-inspired makeup look. If you haven't seen my previous video where I unboxed the entire Harry Potter x Colourpop PR collection, be sure to check that out. So I've already done my base, but I'm going to start by prepping my lips with one of the 4th Ray Beauty lip balms from this collection. It's the Hufflepuff-inspired one and is named Patient, and it basically smells like marshmallows and vanilla bean and some kind of fruity flavors. So next I'm going to use the Dobby Super Shock highlighter, which is a warm gold, and I thought this would work nicely with the Hufflepuff yellow, so I'm applying this on my cheekbones, brow bones, nose, and my Cupid's bow. So we're moving straight into the Back to Hogwarts eyeshadow palette, and we're starting with the shade Hufflepuff on a fluffy brush, and we're creating this large oval shape around our eyes. And now don't be afraid to blend this out. I wanted this look to be very blended and not too structured. And if you're wondering, Hufflepuff is essentially a warm yellow shade. It's one of the lighter ones. We'll move into some darker yellows later. So now we're taking an even larger fluffy brush and going back to Hufflepuff and bringing that shadow all the way up to our brow bone and blending this into our highlighter. I also use the shade Floating Candles, which essentially is a light yellow glitter, just to add a little bit more of dimension to our eyeshadow. So now we're taking a smaller fluffy brush and taking Liquid Luck, which is a darker yellow, and working that into our crease, and you want to take that shade around your outer corner and into your lash line as well, your lower lash line. And this is just to create definition and darken up that crease. So next I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer and a paintbrush. A flat brush also works just as well. And I'm going to create a cut crease, and we're going to extend the concealer above our brow bone and then clean up a little over half of our eyelid so that we can put a lighter shade on in a second. So next we're taking the shade Lumos on a medium-sized flat brush and applying that over the concealer. This shade did take a fair bit of buildup, but it is like a very light off-white, and so that's to be expected, but it has a really nice shimmer. So I kept these next clips in to show you that I tried to use the Hufflepuff Graphics Inks liner in the shade Cup, which is this like metallic golden. However, it didn't end up working because the formula was really watery and it just sort of caused the eyeshadow to smear away. I have given the liners another try since then, and I've just found that it works best on bare skin, but combined with eyeshadow, it's a bit of a mess. And so since the liner didn't work, I cleaned up my lid with Lumos again, and I faked the liner by taking a small pointed flat brush and using the shade Golden Snitch to create a line where my cut crease ends. Golden Snitch is essentially a metallic yellow, just in powder form. I'm going back to that first fluffy brush we used and taking Liquid Luck and blending Lumos with my outer corner just to create a really nice soft gradient. As you can see, we have a lot of contrast with this eye look, and it really helps to make our eyes appear brighter and to make our eyeshadow really the center focus of this makeup look. So I'm moving to a different Colourpop palette called Honey, and I'm taking the shades Totally Buggin' and Buzzkill and applying them to my outer corner, pretty much like parallel with my eye. In the end, I don't think this did very much, but I wanted to include it just so you saw the complete process. But basically those colors are more brownish yellow, and so they just help to pull the outer corner of our eyes back to really let our eyelid pop. And finally, I'm taking a small compact brush and I'm applying Lumos once again to my inner corner, and I'm blending that out along my lower lash line, again, really to make the inner corner pop. So I'm gonna set this with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then we'll move on to liner. So we're first going to take the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker in Carbon Black and create a wing. This wing kind of got away from me, but I feel like I say that in every video, but just go ahead and take your time. I just really knew I wanted this look to have a very nice wing because the black in Hufflepuff is supposed to like signal dignity, and I just thought a wing liner would make this perfect. So we're jumping to our eyebrows now. I'm filling my eyebrows in with the Colourpop Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and then I'm going to be setting them with Colourpop's Brow Boss Gel in the shade Soft Black. I've said this before, I'll say it again, I am not the girl to go to with eyebrows, so if you really want to know how to do your eyebrows, don't ask me because I have absolutely no idea. It would literally take a magical spell for me to learn how to do my eyebrows. So now it's time for our second liner, which is the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Cosmic Yellow, and we're going to use this to line our lower waterline. For our top waterline, we'll use the NYX Retractable Liner in the shade Black, To prep our lashes for falsies, we're going to curl them with an eyelash curler and then apply a light layer of the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And this is one of my favorite mascaras. The lashes are by the brand Kiss, and they're the So Wispy lashes in the style Pompadour. And I'm just going to apply those on to my eyes really fast. And these are really nice, they're very user-friendly. And just be sure to let that glue dry for a second so that way it's not super wet when you go ahead and apply it onto your eyelid. So I'm going to go back in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and do my lower lashes, which helps to create a doe-like eye, which I think is really important for Hufflepuff because they're kind of like cute best friends, and it worked really well. And I also just really like the look of having my lower lash line with mascara on it. Now that we're done with our eyes, I'm going to set my face again. We're going into the Back to Hogwarts palette one more time and using the shade Lumos as a highlighter on the tip of our nose and our cupid's bow, just because I really like highlighter and I thought I would be super extra. As we're nearing the end of our makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the clips keeping my hair back. By the way, the bow in this video is super cute and I want to say I got it on like Amazon or something. So our final step is lips, and I'm starting by cleaning off all the foundation and powder off of my lips. And now I'm going in with a Colourpop Luxe Lip Velvet Lipstick in the shade Air Kiss. And I wanted to use a product from the Harry Potter collection, but both R. Weasley and H. Granger just look too orange with the yellow eyeshadow. And obviously I'm saving H. Potter for Gryffindor as it is a super dark, vampy red. So for good measure, I'm applying setting spray one more time, and then we are going to be officially done with our makeup. And in the end, I'm really pleased with this look. I like the juxtaposition of the yellow and black, and it also has that dignified yet open feel that Hufflepuffs are known for. So I really hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.